Welcome to Rocky Zone's new ice fishing YouTube series, Testing Fishing Expert Tactics. The name says it all. We'll be testing expert ice fishing advice sourced from the internet, old magazines, and word of mouth. In each episode, we'll be displaying current weather charts to expert level fishing tactics. We'll be fishing species such as the highly sought after jumbo perch to gator looking northern pike and more. We've been hitting the hard water for half a decade now, and we think it's time to start putting these tactics to the test. Watch us struggle and succeed as we open Pandora's ice shanty. Alright everyone, I'll make this quick. Today we're going for a whitefish on the beautiful Lake Simcoe. Let's get to it. They're gone, they're gone. They went to you or they went that way? Oh, here we go. He's back, he's back. He doesn't want a dead stick, he doesn't want a dead stick. You're not seeing him? Three of them came in. Aggressive. All in like a school, eh? Oh, I'm staying up to 10 here. Oh, man. That takes me 6 hours. I'm staying up to 10, bro. You cheese me. I can't keep doing this. I'm staying it up. Oh, see, look, he's right there. He's right there, man. And I can't even get down. He's right there. Man, it's fucking frozen line. 5 whitefish in 2 minutes, bro. Here it is. They don't want anything, Jesse. They don't want anything. They're all going that way. I don't know if you guys saw it properly because it's kind of sunny out there, but I just saw a lot of fish, missed a lot of opportunity. They were just coming in and they were just nipping at it or nipping like a foot away from it and leaving. They were not interested at all. I was changing baits. I don't know what's going on. So now we're finally setting up the tent. And hopefully them come back and we get another wave of action. Let's see. Right now I was actually using the vibrato. They didn't want that. And then I never got a chance to use this. This is a little jig and what do they call it? Neotoad? What is that? Little neotoad? I guess, I don't know what how those are called. And then I also got on a jig and a gulp minnow. But they actually liked the most but just didn't commit. I don't know why, but we'll see. Do you need help? Because I kind of want to keep fishing. Help. It's my transducer out. Help. You watch my line, eh? Yeah. Take it out. I think it's a laker. Think so? That was a huge one. Yeah. Might be a white one. I'll let you know. We'll see.
My drag's really loose because I don't want to lose them.
Man, either way, whatever it is. Whatever it is, it's huge and it might not fit through that hole, so just someone get the other auger, please, just in case.
It's 8 inches, that hole, no?
Oh, it's coming up, he's coming.
6.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah, your line's not moving. Every time you reel, your line's not moving. Look,
Hold on, I know.
Hold on, Anthony.
He's gonna come up, that's all, don't worry.
You know what depth you catch the Lakers in? This depth. What?
I know, I keep looking and I keep thinking those water drops are the fish.
Fight's been going on for 5 minutes now, man.
He's on the end of your line, buddy.
No, he's literally just staying in one spot.
Yeah, but see, when you're reeling.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, a little bit. Yo, the hole. Yo, it's stuck on the hole. Hey.
Wait,
I need help because the line's stuck on the ice. Don't pull it.
Should we pop an auger? Oh my god, dude.
Yo, we could pop an auger and just pull him.
And grab him.
Oh, can you do that?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Do it right beside him. Wait. Here, come hold this rod, baby. I want to do
I can't believe
Hold
this.
it.
He's got it by the tail.
No.
Where's he?
He's deep. Glide his head towards the hole.
Do not grab the line.
No, it doesn't.
No,
his
he's
tail.
moving. He's going back down.
Oh, he's down here now.
Okay, you're pulling him.
You're pulling him.
You're pulling him.
Don't tangle too hard.
Maybe he'll come up to the hole. Maybe he will come up to the hole.
Dude, I can't believe this right now. I can't believe we're winning
I've never
this.
seen this before in my life.
How are we grabbing this guy?
Oh my god. Hold on. Tail comes up, someone grab it.
Squeeze it with your life, man.
Hold on, don't worry. He's hooked good.
Squeeze it with your life, man. Pull it. Yeah! Oh my god!
Let's go. What a battle.
Oh my god!
What a battle.
I can't believe that. I can't believe we just witnessed that, man. Anthony's first whitefish was a battle through the tail.
Let's go, bud.
Oh my. Full fish, dude.
Is he a natural fish? Check his fins there.
Is he?
Is it not? Is he missing a fin?
Oh, he is.
Oh, then he's stocked.
Stocked?
Stocked.
That means he's definitely getting eaten.
Yeah.
Smile, bud.
Here you go, boy.
Hey, come over here.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey, give me a look right here, quick.
Amazing.
I got a bunch of fish.
Alright, so this lure right here caught the whitefish. And I don't know, I don't know if he got in his mouth and it came off and hit the tail, but you know, it definitely, yeah, it wanted it. And you have a little wax worm on it. So I'm just gonna try that with a little jig, but hopefully the bite's not over.
He's on.
Oh, he's right here.
I can't.
It's bigger than mine, eh?
You gotta keep him on.
He's gonna come up. Don't worry. He's gonna come up.
Oh yeah, baby! Look at that beauty! Let's go!
Throw him out.
Throw him out. Don't worry about the rod.
Yo, we're having a fish fry. But did you feel it or did you? I saw it. No, but did you feel it?
Okay, so that was my first whitefish after 3 years of trying for whitefish, and this aqua-vu made it a lot easier. Essentially, what I did was I was just jigging the vibrato normally, like you would, just right off the bottom, right up and down about 6 inches, and then he came in, the whitefish came in, looked at it, swam away. The second he swam away, I brought it right down to the bottom, and I just gave it a little tiny half inch jig. Not even not too much, but just enough to just kick it up just a little bit. Once they come in, barely move your rod, barely move it, and hopefully I'll catch another one and prove it. And they do smell like cucumbers.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. That smells like cucumber.
Yeah, Anthony. Whitefish only fight when you catch them by the tail. He dragged it up in 10 seconds.
That's actually how I wanted to, Jack. I didn't like that. That was stressful.
Yeah, it was.
I don't think you, but that was
If another one comes in, I'm cutting Jesse's line. I think in the morning, because when they came in, yeah, like you said, they came in going in search of food, but maybe to an original spot, right? And then that's why you were marking in the morning like crazy. You were just marking schools, man. And I couldn't see much, but you were marking schools. Then you left. Then they came in again, another wave, because they usually come in waves all the time, going to that original spot, and then waited after an hour and a half. Then you caught one and Jesse caught one. Not too long after that, maybe an hour after that, not even. So they were coming. It's like they were coming back, and they're like, "Oh, free food," but they didn't come. No schools came. It was just two.
I think at night they go deep, like 80 feet, 100 feet, and then in the morning they take advantage of the low light.
So you think in the evening, if we were to stay in the evening, we'd go deep?
I think in the evening, this area would light up again. I don't know if it's even worth it coming to fish for whitefish if you're not going to come here at the crack of dawn. I think you really have to be there like an hour before the sun rises.
Yeah, I think it's about 10:50 right now. We caught him around 10. One was 8:39, and then you got yours at 10.
Yeah.
But we saw them come in at like earlier in the morning, and then 8 o'clock, I think a big wave just came in. So there's like 8, 9, and 10 are prime times. I think 11:30 is going to be the last wave until maybe the evening, late evening. But I think we're going to get maybe one more, or at least one more chance. But yeah, if you had to base this off the weather, here's the weather chart. But
9:40.
If you had to base this off the weather, off the pressure system, off all that water is just clear. But if you have to base it off that, what do you think it is? It warmed up. This is the first day of the week that it warmed up from minus 50, 60, and all that stuff. It was minus 12 this morning.
It was a high pressure system yesterday.
Yeah.
And apparently yesterday they were biting a lot. And now today it's a low pressure system, and they're still biting. So I don't know if it even affects them.
Maybe they're biting a lot more yesterday.
Maybe it's just not that much of a change in temperature to shut them off.
Well, it's gonna go up to 1 degree today.
Yeah, so
it's probably almost there right now.
We'll see. If we don't see another one for the end of the day, it's because of the temperature change.
Yeah. So the hot lures today, the Vibrato, of course. Now Jesse's buddy actually told him that Vibratos were hot. Actually, yesterday he caught like what, 16, 17 or something like that.
Yeah.
Apparently.
Yeah.
Apparently. But he's probably gonna watch this video, so you're a good fisherman, man. I still can't even. I'm still having trouble again, as you guys are seeing. I can't hook them. I can't get them. I don't know. I think Poseidon there is planning something for me, or maybe he just doesn't like me. But
I don't think he likes you.
Yeah. But tell him what that old man said to you before we close this off here.
So, last time I came out here, I was out loading my truck up, and some old guy came and just came to check out the ice, see how the conditions were, and I was talking to him for a bit, and he was telling me that he will come out here, and he'll be in 20 to 30 feet, and he says that that's where you catch him most of the time, in 20 to 30 feet, and he says that sometimes you'll get him where you can't even put your rod down quick enough, and some days you got to work for them. But we're in 50 feet here, so a little bit outside of the normals of what people normally fish for, or apparently what a lot of the experts say, 20 to 40 feet. But other people have told me 40 to 60. Some other people have fished even deeper for them, and I think the key is just when you mark them on the bottom, just keep it dead at the bottom and just twitch it just a little bit, because I don't think, and again, I've heard stories of people saying that whitefish will come up from the bottom sometime to hit a lure if they're really aggressive. Today is probably not one of those days, so if it's not one of those days, glue it to the bottom.
Alright, so it's almost noon now. We're going to be heading back. We're actually going to clean these fish. We're going to cook these fish up. We're actually going to look inside the stomach and see what they're eating. We're going to do a whole analysis on it. This is like our first time actually, touching a whitefish.
Yeah.
So we're going to really look into it, get our hands a little dirty. But stay tuned, you guys get to see that. welcome back everyone. We just got back to our little garage tent. I don't know if you guys seen that video, but if you didn't, the link is in our bio. Anyways, we're gonna be filleting this fish. We're gonna gut it up. We're gonna see what this fish was eating, and then we're going to have our first whitefish. Isn't that right, Jess?
So hungry. I'm drooling. I'm drooling just looking at the fish.
It's got eggs.
Yeah, not full though. So this is a female.
Female, yeah, that's what I said.
But I thought it'd be way more full, like how perch are filled.
Alright, if you're stomach sensitive, don't watch this. But we're actually looking in the whitefish's stomach right now. Looks like a lot of green.
I think this is what those clams are.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Oh,
What's that?
a minnow.
Fish. A minnow. It looks like a shiner. Yeah.
Oh, that's a goby. That's
Yeah,
a goby.
That's definitely a goalie.
Goby.
And they just eat it whole, eh?
Shiner.
Look at that.
And there's actually a scale in here too, or maybe I put that in there. But I don't know what this is. This might be just like stuff on the bottom. This feels like a gallbladder.
Yeah, that's very cool.
Hard like a gallbladder.
Look at that. So that's what they're feeding on. That's what those are popular baits. Very cool. You guys like whitefish heart? Oh, I guess you do. Dinosaurs, dude. Oh, look at them. Don't worry, plenty more to come. Whitefish, Jesse's first.
Alright, Jesse.
Alright, everyone.
Wow.
Pick around.
Worth it?